kaliwang kamay, tapos yung damit. Bigot ng dandan. Sige, baka. Ulang kaming dalawang kamay. Halang tayo natin sa kaliwang pa. Ikaw si Patrolman Garciero, hinuli kita sa salang pagnanakaw. Ikaw ay may karapatang manahimik kung magsawalang kibo. Anuman lang iyong sasabihin ay maaaring gamitin pabor o laban sa iyong sa limang hukuman. Ikaw ay may karapatan rin pumili ng iyong tagapagtanggol na iyong pinili. Kung wala kang kakayahan, pagkakaroon dito sa iyong pamalan. Naintindihan mo ba?
Yes. I, Otto Lopez, you are arrested for the crime robbery. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney and to have an attorney present during any question. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be provided for you at government expense. Do you understand this right?